Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Roblox Studio and enabling Explorer and Properties so you can see objects. Create a screen GUI under Starter GUI, add a text label for the index display, and a frame to hold buttons. Once done, insert a local script where it will run for the player, usually inside Starter GUI or Starter Player scripts. This placement matters because local scripts won't run on the server. Placing them in a client container ensures the UI and input code executes for each user. Now you implement the how. In the local script, define a current index variable and a function update display. That sets the text label. Text to the current index value and highlights the active button. Make numbered text buttons 1, 2, 3, etc. And connect their mouse button one-click events to a handler that assigns current index equals that number and calls update display. You do this so input is immediate and visual feedback is consistent. It keeps state local and responsive for each player. Finish by testing and play solo and play here. Click each button and confirm the text label updates. If you want persistence, add a simple data store save /load sequence tied to the player's user ID, but keep testing local behavior first. Make sure to publish the place when ready so others can access it. If something doesn't run, check the output for errors and remember, local scripts need to live in a client container like Player GUI or Starter Player scripts. Moving the script there usually fixes non-running UI code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.